Certainly. Transferring USDT from your OKX wallet to Binance is a straightforward process. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you. Step 1. Access your OKX wallet. Log into your OKX account. Navigate to the Assets section and locate your USDT balance. Click on Withdraw or Transfer, depending on the interface. Step 2. Prepare your Binance wallet address. Log into your Binance account. Go to the Wallet section and select Fiat and Spot. Search for USDT and click on Deposit. Choose the network for the transfer, e.g. TRC20, ERC20, or BEP20. Make sure the network matches the one supported by OKX for withdrawal. Copy your Binance USDT deposit address. Step 3. Withdraw USDT from OKX. Go back to your OKX account. Paste the Binance USDT deposit address into the withdrawal address field on OKX. Select the same network you chose on Binance, e.g. TRC20, ERC20, or BEP20. Enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer. Double-check the address and network to ensure they are correct. Confirm the withdrawal. You may need to complete 2FA, two-factor authentication, for security. Step 4. Wait for the transfer to complete. The transfer should take a few minutes, depending on the network and congestion. You can track the transaction using the transaction ID, TXID, provided by OKX. Important notes. Network selection. Ensure the network, TRC20, ERC20, or B20, is the same on both OKX and Binance. Using the wrong network could result in lost funds. Fees. Withdrawal fees vary depending on the network. TRC20 usually has the lowest fees. Security. Never share your 12-word recovery phrase with anyone. It gives full access to your wallet.